We have two major categories of fish. First one is finfish or vertebrates. Most are covered with scales and lives in fresh water or salt water. The second one is shellfish, a colloquial and fisheries term for exoskeleton-bearing aquatic invertebrates used as a food. Now we are going to identify the external anatomy of a fish. This part is what we call the gill cover. This part is the lateral line. This is the spiny dorsal. This part is soft dorsal. This part is caudal fin. This part is what we call anal fin. This part is called pelvic fin. And the last part is called pectoral fin. Now remember, fishes have 90% white or light muscle and 10% dark muscle. High lipids, hemoglobin, and vitamin content which is located in the mid-lateral line of the fish. Let's describe the skin of a fish. The skin is divided into two layers such as epidermis, the outer layer of the skin. This produces a slime coat that serves as protective covering against pests and helps them move through the water better. The second layer is the dermis. It is where scales lie that protect fish from the environment. The fin is made up of a stiff race covered by skin which helps them to swim. It has the following classifications: dorsal, ventral, anal, and adipose, which serves for their stability. It has also caudal, which is their main propelling fin. And the pectoral is for their locomotion and the side-to-side movement. What is the use of muscle tissues with fats? Fish uses them for movement and locomotion, maintains posture or vertical position, and helps generate heat for their body. Now what about the skeleton of a fish? The skeleton protects vital organs, supports soft tissues, manufactures red blood cells, reservoir for minerals, attachment for muscles, and levers and pulleys for muscle torque or force. Fish is packed with many nutrients that most people are lacking. Now let's enumerate the nutritive value of fish. Fish oil or omega-3 fatty acids. These lower the risk of coronary heart illness. Low fat and low calorie. This prevents obesity. Vitamin A promotes good vision. Vitamin B gets energy from food. Iodine helps in metabolism. Selenium for antioxidant. And zinc strengthens the immune system. Fish is an overlooked food source for many people. There are dozens of varieties of fish with a variety of flavors and cooking styles to suit any tastes. Remember, eating fish is a great alternative to eating red meat, potentially providing a broad range of health benefits. Learn more about fish and shellfish. Have a good day!